My name is Diana and I am a laser professional. I've also been an esthetician for almost 9 years, and I chose skincare because I've had a lot of the same issues that other people have had, and I've always wanted to find better skin solutions for myself and others. Well, laser is an acronym, and what it stands for is light amplification by emission of stimulated radiation. Basically, we use different wavelengths to cause trauma to the hair follicle. After several sessions, we hope that the hair follicle doesn't return. We do recommend several sessions and followed up maintenance after each year. Well, of course, laser hair removal does save you time and money because you have longer lasting results and definitely smoother skin, but there are some more serious issues that we see with hair growth, such as folliculitis that we see commonly in the neck area for both men and women. You might even hear of boils, so we have a lot of dermatologists refer us their patients. And then of course there's that 5 o'clock shadow look that will definitely be diminished, and the strawberry skin look. So a lot of our clients here are very happy with their results. So here at Clearstone, we have great technology, so therefore you'll see great results. However, our pricing is very affordable. So anyone that walks in through our door can be treated with either a la carte pricing for a small single area, or they can do a package to do multiple treatments. Very safe. There can be a mild histamine reaction. It's very rare, and it can account for some mild itching and hives, and if anything of that nature happens, we do ask that you call us right away. We can treat any part of the body. A lot of times we do full bodies. We can treat men and women. However, we only like to treat coarse hair to medium hair, because fine hair or vellus hair can be stimulated and become thicker or darker. Well, here at Clearstone, we have both wavelengths. We have the Alexandrite wavelengths for fair skin and dark hair, and then we also have the Nd:YAG, which is more for tan skin, all the way to the darkest skin type, so we can treat anybody that walks in our door. Consultation and paperwork, typically an underarm treatment can be 30 to 60 seconds on each side, but some of the other areas can take 15 minutes up to an hour. A full body maybe 2 to 3 hours, depending how sensitive you are. It does feel like a rubber band snapping sensation on coarse hair and more of a prickly needle sensation on the medium hair. However, if you are sensitive, I do recommend that you take some Tylenol extra strength about an hour before you come in, and also to just monitor when your menstrual cycles are about, because that can increase your sensitivity. So I would just schedule about a week after. Now, we do use our Zimmer cryo machine. We hook up the hose directly to the laser apparatus, and it blows extremely cold air that can get up to -18 to make you more comfortable and keep the skin cool. The fair side of the Fitzpatrick scale, we recommend about 6, maybe 7 sessions being treated with the Alexandrite wavelength. However, if you're more tan to darker skin types, we will be using the Nd:YAG, so that can range anywhere from 7 to 9 sessions. The exception is if we're treating the face and the back. The face can require a lot more treatments, so sometimes people can do 12, 15, or on the back can do more than a dozen treatments. There's different things that can affect the hair growth. It's more into the subject of hormones. So if there is a hormonal imbalance, that can cause continuous hair growth. So at that time, we do suggest you see a doctor to do further testing. Well, once you complete all sessions, we do recommend that you see us about once a year if you see random hair popping up. However, if you feel that it is not necessary, then you can just, come in every few years as needed. ask that you don't tweeze, bleach, nair, wax, threading, any of that nature 3 weeks prior to your session. If you are using any type of topicals such as vitamin C, salicylic, glycolics, retinols, we do ask that you discontinue those 5 to 7 days prior to treatment of the face. Also, if you are taking any antibiotics, we ask that you finish that 7 to 10 days prior to your session. We ask that you do a close shave to the area the night before treatment to avoid sensitivity. Sometimes people can either nick themselves or have razor rash, and so that can heal overnight and you can come in for your treatment the next day. We ask that you don't do any prolonged sun exposure for 2 to 3 weeks after your treatment to avoid sun sensitivity and pigmentation. Also, no strenuous exercise for 24 hours if you're just doing a small area, and 48 hours if you're doing a full body. Don't shower with extremely hot water or get a massage, anything that's going to produce heat onto the body.